What up, you guys? We are at Beers and Gears, and it's hot as shit. It's like way too fucking hot. Let me get out of this guy's way. I'm trying to get away from all the noise so I can do a little intro and shit. There's some nice cars here, so we're just gonna walk around. I'm gonna show y'all what's here, what's up. It's still hot as fuck, you know, but we gonna suck it up, we gonna deal with it. I had a little hydration, so I shouldn't get lightheaded and die. But yeah, first we gonna start way down here, and then we gonna see what's up in there. Of course, you know, there's always the supercars. There's a bunch of them motherfuckers here. Yeah, they back there laying into it. So yeah, so let's get into it. Got some GTRs up here. Well, one's driving away, but one's parked. Look at the wing on this motherfucker, huh? Is that like midnight purple? I feel like. There's a M4 competition here. Right there. This thing's paint is immaculate, man. Like.
What's that? Okay, bye.
Crazy good paint on that, man. I like that blue a lot. That shit smacks. There's an NSX over there. Some Mustangs. A Range Rover. Let's go look at this NSX. Why not? Oh, there's an M3 over here, a red one. Oh, he's got a splitter on there too. See, I don't see. One of like the only issues I have with, I plan on getting this APR splitter, but you see how he's got them going sideways? In actuality, they're supposed to be going straight down. But I guess most people don't like that aggressiveness that comes with that. So yeah, but it's clean. I like the carbon eyelids for the headlights. And I love this red though. It's got HREs on there too. Megan Racing exhaust. Real nice. And this is, oh no, this is not a NSX. I don't know why I thought this was an NSX. I guess because the headlights tripped me up. This is a Corvette. What is this, a C7? I think it's a C7. Look at these headlights. Or maybe it's a C6. Some interesting headlights, man. Yeah, I think it was a C6. Cool. That was good. Oh, there's a Lamborghini. And another Lamborghini. You're going to see a lot of them here. I feel like they're everywhere in Charlotte. All the Lamborghinis. Yeah, so most of the Lamborghinis are here today. But you know, we don't really care about them like that. We're trying to see all the other goodies here. Yeah, there's a Huracan right there. That lady's mad. There's some exhibits over there. Look at all of them. Some food too. Yeah. Look at this Gundam Mustang right here. Is this not awesome? Look at that. Oh man. That's cool. Then we got a Tasha fucking Ram with Roy from Gate. Or Rory from Gate, not Roy. That shit's nice.
How was your road trip?
To Savannah?
Yeah.
Fucking horrible.
Why?
Because every place down there was like 2-hour wait to get food.
Oh.
Every restaurant.
Damn.
So. But yeah, Clean Exhibition was like a disappointment.
Really?
Yeah, it was.
Damn.
They had some nice cars, but the overall way the event was just set up was just. It just wasn't good.
There you go.
Look at these two E39s. I think these are E39s, right? Yeah.
God damn, bro.
Wouldn't mind having an E36 or E39. I can't remember the old ones, man. I'm sorry. I'm terrible. I wouldn't mind having one of those as an autocross car. That'd be extremely fun. Yep. Gut everything out of it. Put a little cage in it like that black one. Yeah, so it's really clean, really clean. Then I got a Super, 2 Jags. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this Porsche. Oh my gosh, look at this shit, guys. Look at this. Oh man, that's lovely. That is really nice. Like, damn, that's clean. Oh, there's an M3. I don't know whose M3 that is though. Looks pretty much stock, other than he got bolts on there. Side skirts. Woof. Jeez. We got another GTR right there. Then got a 335 IS. Look at this. Sheesh. God damn. I never really realized how much this splitter sticks out. Sticks out a lot.
Oh, that's the Trackhawk, bro. That's the SRT.
And then these fucking TE37s, man. Gosh. Oh, I want that diffuser so bad. Oh, but I don't want a carbon one. Man, my man's clean. Got them fresh Apexes on there though. On the E92. Trackhawk was putting in work. That was a very, very smooth, like, controlled slide that he did in that big ass SUV. But I can't believe I walked right past this 1M and didn't see it. Look at this shit. Look at this rare ass beast right here, man. Like, it's like immaculate. God, look at that interior. I want that interior, man. I want those seats. That's what I want. Damn. Very nice, very nice. That's really it. That's down here. There's nothing much else. I'm gonna grab something like, actually I don't know. What, they got a dollar soda? How much water though? Anyways, I'm gonna get a little drink and we'll catch back up with y'all. All right. What up, you guys? So the meet's over. I filmed what I could and everything, but there really wasn't much else going on. There's a 135 that just went past me. But anyways, I'm gonna go pick up the girl and then we're gonna see what we're gonna get into. We might go to a drag race / car show tonight. I don't know, it depends on how she's feeling. But other than that, yeah. So let's go get her.